Hi loves, it's your girl Tila and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are going to be discussing and reviewing and unboxing Ipsy. Hey. If you guys haven't already, please go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, as well as hit that notification bell so you'll be able to see videos like this every week, if not even more. I mean, damn. Let's just cut the cheese and let's just dive right into this. I'm super excited, you guys, because I've never actually ordered from them. But this has been received in the mail just today, and I just wanted to come on here and talk about it. But this is Ipsy's Glam Bag, June 2019. This is my first time ever getting an Ipsy Glam Bag, and let's just talk about this before we actually open this. I've been going, online and always getting these monthly subscriptions and everything, and I've came across, of course, Ipsy, and I've always wanted to get one. But, of course, me living in Hawaii, it takes time, to come to Hawaii than it is for the people up in the States, right? They do this, of course, every month. They have different themes and everything, and it's so cute. I find it so cute how every month they have like a different type of theme, and I've seen it already, like they send you an email on what's going to be inside and all of this, and they give you the description about it and all of that, and I'm just like, just looking at looking at it and actually it being here and holding onto the actual bag, girl, it's so different, of course, because it's like it's in your hands compared to you seeing it online, right? Enough rambling already, let's just freaking open this, because I've been waiting forever for this. All right, hold on. She comes like this, of course. Oh my gosh, okay, wait. Okay, wait. Ta-da! Oh wow, I got the purple one. I got the purple pink one. The theme is Tetris. So in this bag, of course, you have your pamphlet and everything. And all right, we're gonna go and talk about each one. All right. So first one, we're gonna pull out the magical bag. We're gonna just randomly grab one and talk about it. Okay, wait. Ooh. Okay, Miss HUDA Beauty. So, HUDA Beauty Lip Strobe in Foxy. Okay, she's giving me that Foxy vibe. Okay, she's looking a little foxy, girl. We're head over heels for anything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates. Her lip strobes go on smooth, are long lasting, aren't at all sticky, and can be customized to create unique looks. Foxy is a full coverage metallic copper shade. Tip: wear it alone on bare lips or on top your favorite lipsticks with it to create your own unique shade. Is that right? All right, Miss HUDA Beauty. Just plop her on right now, girl. I'm just gonna. Oh, she smells good. Okay, me, I'm the type of person that don't really mind the scented or fragrances in makeup products. For me, I don't mind. It doesn't really bother me that much. Unless it's like extreme to the extreme and girl, she hurts. Then, but for the most part, girl, I don't mind it all. So already she smells. I don't mind the smell. So we're gonna just pop her on. Definitely giving me that metallic vibe, which I love. And it is, yep, I can see the copper in her. That copper look. I know it looks probably crazy on camera, but in person, girl, she's everything, okay? Next. Okay, we're gonna go back in here. We're gonna just randomly pick, and I pick, ooh, what's this? Oh, girl, what is this? Okay, this right here, it is the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Blush in 01 Peach Pink. All right, on the go. Anything from Sugar Cosmetics can help you look, pulled together in an instant. This lightweight blush is super buildable, so you can go from a sheer wash of color to a full-on flush, okay? What's best? This peachy pink shade works on all skin tones. I love that. Tip, swirl a blush brush into the pan, tap against your sink to remove excess powder and dust blush onto the apples of your cheek in circular motions. Well, thank God I don't really have, oh wait, I do have blush on. All right, we're just gonna go right into this, girl. And I will be using Morphe brush. Girl, I don't know the number, okay, because she gave me one of those kits. A Morphe brush to go ahead and swirl, honey. This is how she looks like. Okay. I'm just gonna. Ooh. Ooh. It feels smooth. It's definitely smooth. It has a smooth touch to this. And she's definitely like a peachy. Of course, she's exactly what she stated that she is. That's what she is. Especially when you're like you want to do a soft glam, or you just want to be soft yet still have, you know, a little blush on you, girl. This is cute. Ooh. Girl. I already went swipe her once and she is already giving me pigment. It's not full-on blasted pigment, but it's enough pigment for it to be soft. Unless, of course, you know, you want to give it that blush effect. Girl, it's very buildable, as I can tell. As you guys can see, she's very buildable. So I'm going to just go ham on this, okay? We're going to do ham on this side, and we're going to go just swipe, dust her off, and go soft on this side. Yes, she's cute. Okay, girl. You know what? Let's just get up here. Let's just do. Down here, forehead, boom. We're gonna put this bad girl away. Next. Okay, we're gonna just dive right into this. I have no idea. All right, we're just gonna grab this. Okay, this right here is Delectable by Cake Beauty. Triple Citrus Blend Butter Wash Body Polish. This double duty body polish cleanses and exfoliates in a single step. It's enriched with sheer butter and antioxidants, rich grapefruit, orange, and tangerine extracts to leave your skin soft, supple, and hydrated. You can scrub away in clear concision. It's vegan and cruelty-free. I love anything that's vegan and cruelty-free, okay? Tip. Massage polish onto damp skin. Focus on dry areas like elbows and knees. Let the moisturizing properties soak into your skin for 30 seconds, then rinse. Well, unfortunately, there's no sink around me, but we're still gonna just open her and try her and rub it around my elbows, girl. Okay, I can rinse her after, girl. And she's also sealed, so that is good. Honey. Oops. She smells nice. I mean, it's not like a strong scent, but like... Okay, let's try the elbows. Ooh, okay. She definitely feels like she's definitely rubbing onto your skin, so that's good. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna do this in the shower. All right. Next, we're gonna go dive right into this and just grab this. What is this? Okay, this right here, Tetris X Ipsy Highlighter in Tetris Life. We partnered with the iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. Y'all totally beam in this golden pearl highlighter that's creamy, buildable, and easy to blend. Tip, apply it wherever you want to glow. Honey, that's my whole entire existence, okay? I want to walk and glow. That's my life. like your brow bones, inner eye corners, cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, cupid's bow, and chin. Okay, it's basically it's a highlighter that's supposed to give you your life. Okay, you're supposed to glow everywhere you go, bitch, and that's just me. I will glow as I walk, honey. Okay, so oh, this is definitely Tetris. I mean, I can tell by the blocks and everything, and definitely Tetris. Okay, let's just, okay, perfect, because I love these types of colors. It looks really good on my skin. Tetris Life, Game On. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? You know what? I already have a highlighter on here, so let's just highlight. We're gonna just highlight right here. One swipe, girls. One swipe. Can you see that? Please don't mind my scar right here. Okay, we're not gonna show that part. Next, but not least, we're gonna dive into this. Okay, and this right here is give your skin an energizing, tightening, and brightening boost with this marshmallow textured mask. It's infused with antioxidants and vitamin-rich watermelon, renewing blackberry and cranberry, healing aloe, soothing caramel. Don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, good. Revitalizing elderly berry. Tip: apply a thin layer to clean skin. Let dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then peel. Ooh. Okay, well, I'm ready to dive right into this. She comes with a seal, which is everything. That's good. Ooh, definitely watermelon smell, which I love watermelons. Oh my god. Let me just feel her. Ooh, definitely sticky looking. This definitely feels so good. Oh, all right. And here are all the products together in its full glory right here. So I'm also excited because my Glam Bag Plus is on its way, and I just couldn't wait. So I just had to reveal this one first, and then of course I'm gonna be talking about the other one as soon as it comes. Oh my god. But honestly, like, for this being my first time with Ipsy, I just want to say thank you guys so much, because this is actually amazing. You know, these are actually affordable as well. Of course, go ahead and check them out on their website. Their website will also be in the description down below, but of course by now we all know about Ipsy, right? Yes. So yes, you guys, and that is today's video of my first impression in this Ipsy glory. Again, you guys, please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, as well as hit that notification bell so you'll be able to see videos like this every week. Don't forget to go ahead and follow me on all social media platforms. It will be in the description down below as well. All right, you guys. All right, I gotta get out of here. All right, until next time, bye. Mwah.